I'm gonna show you how to make your Android device look like iOS 7 device. It's a bit laggy because I am using screen recorder now, but it's not laggy if I don't use it. If you want this glow and that, boom, see it, boom, 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 boom. You need this to make your Android device solo. You need this. Download this. After you download it, you can click it. Here, see it? Gonna click it and do then it will look like that, but different wallpaper. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.